I asked myself the question, at 72, was I really prepared to try and learn something new? Nik Collection 9 had just been released, and I asked someone, well, why Nik Collection 9? Why not just Photolab 9? And I received a really interesting response, and they said it's the difference between creating an image and actually crafting an image. And I thought that was a really interesting response. So in this video, as a newbie, I'm going to find out a little bit about Nik Collection 9 and what these new features actually mean for my photography. Now, as a newbie, I am not going to demonstrate how I achieve particular effects with these images. I've got 4 to show you. What I am going to show you is the effects that I can apply to my images, which I hope bring about a lot more atmosphere or depth in them. And oh, before I forget, there's also a little wrinkle I discovered when editing with Nik Collection 9, which you might want to wait around and see a little bit later. In the meantime, let's have a look at these images and see the difference between an image produced in Photolab 9 and finalized in Nik Collection 9. Oh my, that was pretty interesting, wasn't it? How it's so simple to make some adjustments and literally craft an image. Now I could probably achieve the same thing in Photolab 9, but it would take me a lot longer. So for me, the idea of using Nik Collection is just to finish off, add that little bit of finesse to an image. Anyway, I promised to let you know about a wrinkle which you need to know about if you're using Nik Collection 9 for the first time. And if you're like me, you like to work in a non-destructive way. And Nik Collection doesn't make this entirely obvious how you can actually do that. In fact, to my mind, it almost leads you down the path of destructive editing. Let me show you what I mean. So here I've got an image. It's a beautiful little waterfall down at Goliath Falls. And if I click on Collection 9, I can choose to export this image as a TIFF 16-bit file and start up Nik 9 color effects. And when I'm in the effects package, I can then decide what effects I want to apply. So let's take, for example, Pro Contrast. And we'll make a few adjustments. Change the dynamic contrast. Nothing particularly spectacular, but the most important thing is this, making sure this little box is ticked, non-destructive edits. When I click apply, those edits I have made are applied to a new TIFF file here. Now that's all well and good, but if I want to actually go back and adjust those things, I must change this setting here to original files, click OK, and then start color effects again. And when I do that, that TIFF file will be reloaded into color effects together with the filters that I had previously applied. Now, of course, I can continue to make adjustments to these filters. And in fact, I can go and add another filter. Let's choose Halation. Probably won't make any difference at all with this, but let's just have a little play. Turn off colorization and add a bit of glow. Just playing around with the controls really, just to see what I can achieve. Anyway, when I'm done, let's click apply. And those two filters are now applied to that TIFF image. But if I hadn't changed the export settings to original files and had left it on TIFF and pressed OK and started color effects, here we go, you will notice that a new TIFF file has been created and I cannot access the edits that I had previously made. So effectively those edits have been baked in. And you'll see that I've got the original file, my Nik file with the edits, and the baked in file. Now for me, that's really a little bit of a wrinkle. You need to know that if you're interested in non-destructive editing. Just make sure that once you've got your TIFF file and you've added your edits and you want to go back again, do make sure that you have clicked that original file setting in the export settings before you go ahead. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget you can always download a 30-day trial, a free trial from DxO for Nik Collection 9, and if you decide that you want to go ahead and purchase it, don't forget also to use my exclusive discount TOPG15. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, so until next time, bye!